we're now going to actually have a play with solutions. We're going to create a solution which will be used throughout the course. So first of all, if we go to File and New, click on Project, and the place we're going to put it is T-SQL Training Course _ work area. Everyone's got the same one, and this way we can maintain it as we go along through all the different modules. So we're just going to call it SQL Training Course. Okay, and then make sure it's selected on SQL Server Scripts, and then click OK. And as you can see, it's now created a SQL Server Training Course. What we need to do then is go to Open File, and we need to navigate to this location, which again is the T-SQL Training Course. It's important that you keep this naming convention, because I'll be giving out some course material which will just slip into this, and you can add them to your solutions. So you need to go into Overview and Setup, O4 Documentation, and then the modules.txt, which just lists the modules in the course. So let's take the first one, highlight, copy, and if we go up to the solution SQL Training Course, right click and go to Add. We're going to create a new project, and it's already defaulted to the location where we want it to be. We're going to copy and paste the O1 module SQL Server Introduction. Okay, we're going to get rid of this one, so we're going to right click and remove. I'm going to OK that. So now what we've got here, we've got our O1. So let's create the one for O2. Right click, add, new project, and paste that in. Okay, so you can see the pattern. Right click, add, new project. So you need to copy and paste beforehand. So copy, add, new project, copy and paste. Okay. Okay, now you can see it, we've got all our solutions created, all 9 of them. Let's go to a file and save all. We're going to just close that solution, get rid of that first of all, and then file, save as, save all. Okay, so file, close solution, it's all gone. Now if we go to file, recent projects and solutions, as you can see there's several of them. If we go on to the last one, and that's the one we're going to want to keep. So now we've got 8 files and solutions. So as we go through the course, we'll add queries into these. So how this actually works, we'll start with the first one, just get rid of those first of all. Go into queries, if you right click and go new query, it adds a query in. So let's just do a simple select statement, select get date F5. So it just returns the date. So we'll do a save as, and we'll call it get date example. Okay, so now you've got this get date example. So these scripts will build up, and you can add and drag and drop. So if we open up a file, so if we go to open and we go to training course, let's go to the first one, so go back. So we'll go to the C drive, and we go down to training course, we go to the modules, and we go to example scripts. So let's open the foreign keys example. Have you noticed it actually puts it under miscellaneous files? If we wanted to bring it into the project, we can just drag it up. And if we close that now, you see the one at the bottom's changed, and we've now got one in our project. That will only be there obviously if we go and save. The best way is save all usually. So if we double click on it, we can go into it. One thing it does, if we do a connection, so if we change connection and connect to our local PC, which you can put dot or local host, it actually then goes in and it remembers the connections. So you can actually try these examples out on various machines that you've got access to, test boxes obviously, because we obviously wouldn't run anything on production, and when you go back into it, it'll actually remember where they've done. So this is also very good for your day-to-day work bits and pieces. You can set up your own sets of folders, scripts. For example, these could be daily reports, weekly reports, ad hoc reports, reports for this server, reports for that server, etc., etc., and they could be quite useful. Okay, so that is a brief introduction to solutions. Just close those down now and save our project if we can always remember to do that.